Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and as I have promised you, we're going to do an unboxing video of the new MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020 model. I received this from the mail like 3 days ago, but life's been busy. I haven't had the time to unbox this yet until today. I just celebrated my birthday yesterday. In fact, I still have my beautiful balloon arrangement right here. It's so pretty, isn't it? This is done by my good friend Sir Michael. Thank you so much, Sir Mike. I love it. And for those of you who have not seen my previous unboxing video of the MacBook Air 13-inch 2020 model, you should check that out first before you continue watching this video. I'll send you the link down below, and you would know in that video why I switched from the MacBook Air to this MacBook Pro. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I hope we won't get disappointed this time, and I want to share this all with you. I want to share this unboxing experience with all of you. So let's do this. Alright, so let's tear this from here. Yay! The MacBook Air I ordered last time was in gold, but for the MacBook Pro there are only two color options. We have the space gray and the silver, so I chose space gray. There you go, it's so pretty. So goes with the instruction sheets, and of course the Apple sticker. Goes with the color of our unit, so it's in space gray. We also have this charging cable and the charger, of course. So let's go ahead and unwrap this thing. This came in a more perfect timing, as I have mentioned. It was my birthday yesterday, so this is my husband's birthday gift for me, although we ordered it a couple of months ago, but then it just got further delayed because we have to replace the MacBook Air with this MacBook Pro, so perfect timing. So set this up. Go.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Let's set up Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? And Siri is ready. and the Touch ID. It will make you choose whether you want a light, a dark, or an auto background. And it's setting up. Let's set up the Wi-Fi. So just like the MacBook Air 2020, we just have the audio jack right here. On this side, we have two USB-C ports right here. I still have this. This is from my previous purchase with the MacBook Air. They gave it for me for free. So this is the multi-port adapter, so with the USB-C type connector right here, which connects to a USB-A type port, HDMI, and another USB-C type port. One thing I would miss though with my old MacBook Air is the size. This one came in 14-inch measurement, while the new MacBook Pro is only a 13-inch model, so slightly smaller. The keyboard, they say, would be different with this new model. I'm not sure if that's gonna make any difference. I am still to test it. The new MacBook Pro has a wider touchpad compared to my old MacBook Air, the broken one, which I got in 2012, which is, by the way, still working and functioning as long as you connect it to an external monitor. And while we are waiting for our apps to download, let's protect our MacBook Pro with this hard case that I bought from Shopee. I hope this fits. I was not sure of the measurements actually. This is so cute. It says it should fit with the new MacBook Pro 13-inch model. It's too glittery. I think it fits just right. Yay! And this one is to protect your keyboard. So it's sleek. It's glittery but isn't rough to the touch. So I'm waiting for the rest of the applications to download, and I'm also waiting to check out the camera of this MacBook Pro. That is why in the first place we switched from MacBook Air to MacBook Pro, because the MacBook Air's camera was so bad. I told my friends about it. One friend even joked that I should tell Apple, what the heck happened with your camera? How can my students recognize me when I can hardly recognize myself on it? So it was that bad, guys. It was like the camera of primitive dumb phones. It was really that bad. And so again, I decided to return the item to Apple. It has been a smooth experience returning my item. I believe they have refunded me with the amount already, and I ordered this and it came early. Actually, it came like within 3 weeks. I was not expecting this to arrive this early. It says I should be receiving the item like first week of December yet, but it arrived early. So the first thing I will have to download would be my OBS, my Filmora 9 to edit my videos. I'm so excited to use this on editing my videos. Feedback says that this is good for editing videos compared to the MacBook Air, so I'm kind of excited for that. I'll also need to install a lot of applications, my Microsoft Office, and all of that to get this thing functional. So yeah. Okay, so let's try out the camera, guys. So I just had so much fun testing the camera on this MacBook Pro 2020. So I'm happy to see my beautiful pictures on it. Nothing grainy, nothing pixelated, just like in the MacBook Air 2020. So I have not seen anything disappointing about this unit yet. So I hope this one is for keeps. I hope I would be able to use this one in my career, in my hobbies, and in everything else that I do. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and for more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.